Guys, I'm in South Africa and I went visited the Kruger National Park, which is the 5th largest national park in the world. यहाँ पर आपको big five देखने मिलेंगे. I chilled with a lot of animals. I saw a lot of them. They're so exquisite and beautiful, magnificent. But since South Africa आई हूँ, I thought why not tell you some interesting law about South Africa. It's very interesting. Listen to this. जैसे आपको पता है कि इंडिया में वाइल्ड लाइफ इज प्रोटेक्टेड अंडर द वाइल्ड लाइफ प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट. सो किसी भी एनिमल को मारना इज इलीगल फॉर any reason unless you take the permission from the government, if the animal is out of control or if there is a immediate danger or threat to life because of that animal, तो आप उस animal को with permission मार सकते हो. But did you know killing wild animals in South Africa is legal or not? Spoiler alert, it can be legal, it can also attract 30 years of imprisonment. So let me explain. South Africa में अगर किसी wild animal को आप मारते हो तो sometimes it can be legal but sometimes not. You can land in jail for 30 years. So let me explain. ये law समझाने के पहले आपको दो चीजें समझाती हूँ. There are two types of killing. One is poaching and another is trophy hunting. Poaching क्या होता है? Poaching is killing any animal illegally for using their skin or horns or any animal body part for sale. And second one is trophy hunting. Trophy hunting is legal, which is a regulated hunting where you pay a big amount of money to the government, जहाँ पर आप कोई भी वाइल्ड लाइफ की हंट कर सकते हो, उन्हें मार सकते हो, and then you can use their head or any body part as a trophy in your house, जिसे आप फ्रेम करके लगा सकते हो. So this is legal in South Africa, which I feel is a little inhuman. This type of trophy hunting in Africa is regulated under the National Environment Management Biodiversity Act, which is also called as NEMBA in short. It's a strict provincial law in South Africa. Under this particular act, you can kill wild animals in South Africa, but उसके against आपको government को काफ़ी सारा पैसा देना होता है. It differs from animal to animal. जिस animal को आप मारना चाहोगे उसके आपको पैसे देने पड़ेंगे. The interesting fact is South Africa generates around $2.3 billion per year by way of trophy hunting, which is around 44 South African rands, and it also gives 95,000 people jobs. So what do you think about this law in South Africa of killing animals, trophy hunting, etc.? आपको लगता है ये सही है, ये गलत है या होना चाहिए? Just let me know in the comment section. I'm Advocate Pooja Dilip Patil. I hope you're having a nice day.